Me siento súper bendecida de estar aquí hoy. Es un sueño hecho realidad. Y no importa cuál de los dos ganemos, los dos somos ganadores. Es un placer. Que Dios me los bendiga.
And I want you to say a few words, okay? So this young man right here, he speaks some Spanish, right? I saw him talking in Spanish outside. Maybe you were a reporter, but I was that kind. Okay? So thank you for being here, and I also want you to say a few words about how was your experience and the reaction of the people, the food, and especially I can see that everybody complimented the decorations. So I want you to say a few words.
First of all, thank you everyone. Sorry I don't speak fluent Spanish. But it was fun being here. It was a good challenge. Never done a food competition before. This is my chef Sophia, so my right handshake. Criticism on the rice, 100%. Or sorry, sticky. I agree. Don't make rice too often on the chicken truck, but it was a learning experience. We tried new things for both of us. Everyone, I'm going to bring the dessert out for the room from our truck so you guys can at least try it on your way out. I made it custom. I didn't have time to congeal all the way, so I didn't want to bring it out. That's why you're in front of you guys. But otherwise, learning experience. Love to do it again. I appreciate you guys having us, and thank you guys for eating our food.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You guys did an amazing job. And now, we are going to mention who's the winner. And in second place, with a total number of 425, is Cleveland Chicken. And the first place with a total of 529 to Guadalajara's victory. Thank you so much. You guys did an amazing job, both of you. I want to take a photo with both of them.